You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word or this name. There could be different pronunciations. There are different pronunciations. That's Spanish name for Switzerland, okay? That's how you call Switzerland in Spanish. Even in Spanish, there's two different pronunciations. Suiza, with the Z or the Z pronounced like TH. That would be your Spanish pronunciation, Central Spanish pronunciation. Suiza or Suiza. Now in English, it's often pronounced as Suiza. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.